The future of families. Modern families have shifted their practices, behaviors, and values when contrasted with those of the past. A proper understanding of these changes can guide parents to be prepared for emerging challenges and support their young ones accordingly. This discussion uses the TED Talk The Future of Families, 4 Discoveries That Change Everything video to explain the nature of the identified developments and how they will continue to shape society. Analysis and discussion. The selected video presents 2 models of bringing up children. The first uses the analogy of an elephant to explain how some parents lead from behind and allow their young ones to try new ideas. The second model is the one whereby parents are on the front line, make decisions, and compel their children to follow instructions. My family followed the second approach since our parents were keen to instruct and guide our decisions or actions. For example, they made practical deliberations and compelled us to follow them accordingly. They also dictated the clothes to be worn and the food to eat. Each of these models has its unique advantages and disadvantages. The first one allows parents to monitor their children while allowing them to make their personal decisions. They will offer guidelines and advice to ensure that such individuals become responsible and capable of pursuing their full potential in life. However, the approach might result in negative behaviors since parents are not in full control of their children. The model might also be inappropriate for absent parents who are busy due to their professional goals or lifestyles. The second model is advantageous since it allows children to follow outlined guidelines, develop desirable behaviors, and use their parents' examples to solve their problems. However, this strategy discourages young ones from being involved in decision-making, asking for advice, or sharing their challenges. The possible outcome is that such individuals might find it hard to become responsible adults. The selected models present 2 options for this country. The first one allows parents to establish a positive relationship with their children. These young individuals will be willing to collaborate and support family decision-making processes. The members will focus on the children's education and safety. The second one is hierarchical, whereby parents will make all decisions, show their young ones the way, and punish those who disobey established values. The children will be aware of their responsibilities and the best way to achieve their potential. The first model is capable of delivering a future society whereby children relate positively with their parents and focus on the common good. It might also allow young ones to engage in harmful activities. While this model is appropriate, it might increase the level of leniency and allow some children to become delinquent. The second one compels young ones to follow outlined orders and pursue the dreams of the wider family. These analyses reveal that the 2 approaches have unique pros and cons for the nation's collective future. Parents, therefore, need to strike a balance between the 2 to get the available benefits and ensure that more children are involved in decision-making processes while being compelled to follow instructions. Conclusion. The selected video is informative and worth watching since it describes an issue that many parents take lightly. The outlined 2 models have unique benefits and challenges for the modern-day family. Parents and other members of society should, therefore, borrow the positive attributes of each strategy to meet the demands of more children and guide them effectively to become responsible adults. StudyCorgi.com has everything you need for successful studies. Writing tools, informative articles, and essay samples. Come check it out!